Hello, Workforce Australia. My name is Angelo Sojo, and I am 39 years old. After 9 years and 3 months working as an administrative officer, I was made redundant. Many months after that, I was looking for jobs, but I was not successful. By November last year, I didn't have no choice to ask for some financial assistance with Centrelink. Through the process, Centrelink connected me to Workforce Australia, and Workforce Australia asked me to do an activity. I engaged in an activity called Job Search and Workplace Skills. I came to classes and I received enormous support from my training. That's how I got to know Signature Training College. In my time in Signature Training College, the trainers, Kamel, Jay, Nikki, and so other people from the staff were really helpful. They support me when I needed it and when I have questions. They're always there for me. And I really appreciate it. Try to believe in me. After doing 3 weeks with Workforce Australian training, by the time I finished, Signature Training College has offered me employment. I would like to say thank you to the Signature Training College and Workforce Australia for supporting me. I'm really very grateful. Thank you very much.